Hello, welcome to my unboxing channel. I got another thing to unbox today, and this is a EDC category. If you guys do not know what's a EDC, figure it out and comment below. So this is a Bellroy Sling bag. So it comes in this bag packaging. The bag is made from recycled plastic bottles. Oh. Okay, it's interesting. Okay, here's the bag. Bellroy. Eco-certified leather, made from recycled materials. Bellroy. Bellroy Sling. This is the back. The zipper has a holder which is made out of leather. Strap is, it's a very nice smooth material. The best thing about this bag is that this comes with a magnetic clip-on. It's pretty sturdy. So I'm going to show you one of the unique system for this bag. It has what we call a self-collapse system. So if you pull the strap together like this, so as you can see, the bag will collapse on itself. Pretty nice. Okay, so this is the front pouch. It has quite a stretchy material here. Two little small compartment. What's this? Micro packet. It's PE sheets. So technically that's all you could hold. The main compartment. So we got one small, oh, it has a very soft material in this small compartment. I think this would be good to put in your sunglasses. It has the Bellroy description here. That's a key holder. It's pretty short, but I think that's good enough. So this front pouch is it's pretty hidden. So if you put the zipper away, you can't really see that there's a compartment on the front pouch of the bag. that's the unboxing for a Bellroy Sling bag. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.